You say Catholics added books. You say we worship statues. You say we have a works-based salvation and tradition cancels scripture. Cute. But none of that is true. Not even close. You've been arguing with a cardboard cutout for 27 years, and the cardboard cutout is winning. Why do you pray to saints? Read the catechism. Why do you baptize babies? Read the catechism. Why do you go to confession, man? Read the catechism. If you're gonna tell me what we believe, at least read the manual. And hey, Catholics, yes, you in the pews, the ones who haven't cracked your catechism since your confirmation class back when the youth minister bribed you with donuts. My friend, you're arguing with Protestants using memes you found on Pinterest. Stop it. Open the book. And look, I don't always follow my own advice. It's the nearsighted leading the blind here, but at least I know I need glasses. If you don't know the faith, you can't defend the faith. If you don't know the faith, you can't live the faith. If you don't know the faith, you end up sounding like TikTok. Read your catechism. Read your catechism. It's 4 little parts, not rocket sciencism. Read your catechism. Read your catechism. Before you tweet theology, read your catechism. Let's walk through it. Part 1, the creed, what we believe, who God is, why we exist, where we're headed. Part 2, the sacraments, what grace actually does, why baptism isn't optional, why the Eucharist isn't a metaphor, why confession isn't therapy with candles. Part 3, the moral life, commandments, beatitudes, virtues, vice, freedom, even why gossip is a sin, and why your group chat might be dangerous. Part 4, prayer, the Our Father, the language of the soul, what to do when God feels silent. Some of you skip this part, and it shows. Don't read the whole thing straight through. It's not a novel. Start with the in brief sections, little espresso shots of doctrine. Drink deeply, repeat daily. Side effects may include clarity, sanity, and unexpected joy. Shout out to Father Mike Schmitz, who read the whole thing in a year. So you wouldn't have to, but you still should. Read your catechism. Read your catechism. If you're confused about the church, you probably skipped a section. Read your catechism. Read your catechism. Before you say we change the Bible, please read your catechism. If ignorance is bliss, some of y'all are ecclesially ecstatic. Fix that. Read your catechism.